Hi all, welcome to blacktactical.com, presenting the Rugged Sidearm Case. As you can see, very rugged for your sidearm, or in some cases, your exquisite blasters, be it gel or foam blaster. Foam dart, that is. So as you can see here, it comes lined with a sponge so it don't bounce around, and you can put it inside your storage bag or your backpack for easy move around. And of course, if you need something smaller, we also have something smaller. Presenting the compact one. Very small and easy to put in, easy to carry around too. Inside the backpack, of course. Okay, if you're interested, come to our webpage at www.black-tactical.com or to our address. See you there.